Here we go again. Like, legit, there's no threat, there's no predators right now, just barking to bark, to hear the sound of their own voice. It can be heard within the house, especially while people are trying to sleep. During study time, nap time, especially if you walk around the property. Now, this person has 10 acres and feels the need to put the animals on the front 2 acres, along with the boats and trash and couches and lumber and bricks and pile of junk, old cars, dog trailers, horse trailers, cow trailers, whatever. Everything is kept on the front 2 acres, almost to display it. Many complaints have been lodged about the sound of these dogs. There just tends to be more dogs. That's Tar Heel Pyrenees. It's a breeding business. The idea of peace and quiet is unfamiliar to these people. They blare their radio, they have all sorts of noisy animals, and they claim it under the idea of they are a working farm. Last I checked, they are not farming dogs. And cows don't make noise at night. So, what gives? No one has done anything to provoke these dogs. This is just what they do. We sleep with earplugs in and fans running. They claim the Farm Act. There's no noise ordinance out here, apparently. These dogs are barking in response to a dog down the street, not a predator. Nothing is threatening their livestock. These dogs are not exercised. They have nothing better to do. They are not trained. Multiple attempts to contact the owner have gone unsuccessful.